treated me kind, sweet destiny carried me through desperation to the one that was waiting for me.
Do is section off a piece at the top of your head. Now I'm wearing faux bangs for this, and it's noticeable because with faux bangs there's always that track at the top, and when you want to wear faux bangs out, you want to wear a headband or cover your hair on top of it somehow. But since I'm not wearing this hairstyle out, I just use them to emulate Mariah's look in the concert, so you guys could get more of a clear image, because I don't have bangs at all. There is no way I could do it without wearing these faux bangs, but that's how you do it anyway. So you just take a piece and then you'll tease the top, twist it around, and secure it with bobby pins. And then that's like super simple. That's all she did. She just had a bump at the top of her head, and then she twisted it, and clearly there's bobby pins pinning it down just so you can have that really nice look. Now my hair isn't as curled as hers, so I'm just taking this curling iron right here, it's about 1 inch, and just curling the bottom parts of my hair. And my hair was much more wavy, so with the curling iron it's going to give that nice tousled curled look that's not too overdone, especially since we're only curling the bottom pieces of our hair. So if you guys have bangs, this look is going to be super easy for you. If you don't have bangs, I'd recommend buying some faux bangs and just finding a way to put your hair on top of the bangs and molding it so they look natural. But if not, there are faux bangs tutorials. I have no idea how to do that. I can study on that, but for now, this is what I'm working with, and I'm just curling all the pieces to get that really Mariah look. I loved this so much. Sometimes I want bangs, but faux bangs will have to do because I could never commit to them. I used to have them all the time, and it got old for me, so I've moved on. But this hairstyle is super easy to get. I'm not even kidding. It took me like 5 minutes. So once you are done doing that, you should have her hairstyle. So I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.